Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to send pictures as snaps on Snapchat. So let's get started. To send pictures as snaps on Snapchat, open the app and sign in. On the camera screen, tap the down arrow below Night Mode on the right side. Select Director's Mode. From the right panel, tap on Import Media. Choose a picture from your gallery. For example, I will select a black image. Press the tick icon at the bottom right. Then tap Preview. On the preview screen, you can edit the image by adding text, stickers, or drawings if needed. Once editing is done, tap Send. Now choose the friends you want to send the snap to. Tap Send again. The image will be delivered as a snap and will appear like a regular snap to the receiver, not just an image in chat. This method ensures that your selected gallery photos are sent as a snap rather than a picture. That wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.